National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in northeastern Kansas, southeastern Jackson County in northeastern Kansas, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Valley Falls, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Valley Falls, Oskaloosa, McLeod, Ozaukee, Winchester, and Perry Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.